Do you want to know how you can earn big money online in a big time just by following and just by using free apps which are going to be available for every one of you, and just by using them within minutes you will be able to get paid big money. You will be able to get paid more than $3 just by using them, and as well more than up to thousands of dollars within minutes just by following every single step that I'm going to share with you today. So in order to understand who are this kind of platforms and how do they work, you will need to stay with me till the very end of the video and follow every single step attentively so you can understand how you can make it work. This kind of strategy is going to ask you only for your smartphone or your computer connected with internet connection. So you don't need to have any previous experience at all. You don't need to have any special skill, or you don't need to be from special places of the world, because it's going to work worldwide. And before going there and revealing these platforms to you, which are going to be totally for free, remember to go to Better Personal Growth, to our channel, to subscribe to it and to push the notifications on and to like it. If you like this kind of strategies and you want to see more, for sure, do that so you can support us and we can get more motivated to post day by day like this kind of video. You can even go to the comment section below, comment that you really like to make money online, or if you have any suggestion, any question or something to share it with us, don't be shy and go to the comment section. And as well, if you want to help your friends making money online, share these videos so that you can help them same as I'm helping you right now. Don't forget that we daily share with you videos, new strategies which are going to be very useful and easy for every one of you, are going to be beginner friendly. So make sure to stay tuned, so every day that we post you will not miss them and you will be the very first one who is going to try it and start earning money again, same as you may see right now into your screen, which are thousands of dollars just within minutes by using this kind of platforms. This kind of strategy is going to reveal you some websites which you have never seen before, and the very first one is called getpaid2.com, and as the name it suggests, you will get paid, earn money online every time you go online. You will be able to earn GPT points for simple tasks such as completing surveys, playing games, watching videos and more. In order to access it, you will just click into join for free today, and you will be able to fill in some information like username, password, email address, first name, date of birth and more. And as well, you will need to complete the CAPTCHA so you can create a total new account on it, and you will be directed into their main page. You will be able to earn money by completing different surveys, doing games, by completing quick points and offer walls as well. That's crazy, guys, because not only you are going to get paid for doing this kind of work, which is going to ask you for only 5 minutes, but as well you will have fun by just doing that. You will see here how does it work and how much you will get paid. So you will firstly create a new account into it for sure, and after that fill in surveys, so doing tasks, watching videos and playing games and more. While doing this, you will be able to earn extra points, which are going to be more than up to 5,000 points. You will be able to collect $1. Now, since you are going to fill in a lot of surveys and doing a lot of games, this kind of 5,000 points, you will be able to earn them quickly and to convert them into dollars. You will get paid, redeem your points for cash, cryptocurrency or gift cards, so you can just convert them into the ones that you will like more. You can find here fun online games, as you may see them right over here. You can get high-paying surveys, so a lot of companies will like to know some of your opinions about this kind of service. You will find offer walls, and which will be supported by great companies like Honeygain, Hideout TV, and more. In order to see if this kind of platform is totally legit and secure to use, you can go to the very end of it, and then you can see that it is supported by companies like bank transfer, Skrill, Bitcoin, Amazon.com, PayPal, Vodafone, and more. Now, why are this kind of companies connected to this platform? If you go to the games right over here, you will just click there and then be directed into the place where you can find different games to play and to start earning points. This kind of points that you saw since in the beginning that I told you, you can convert them into money, but as well you can convert them and transfer them with TransferWise or Skrill, or convert them into crypto, direct transfer to your crypto wallet, or you can just convert them into gift cards. So there are a variety of ways which you can make this kind of money and earn more and more, not only money but as well gifts. The other platform that is going to pay you online money is called AdWallet.com. And what this kind of platform does is to bring you brands who want your attention and make them buy it. So you will be able to get paid only for watching ads online. So you will get rewarded for watching videos from brand you care about. Each interaction takes just a few minutes and it's worth up to $3 plus unlock exclusive offers. You can see this kind of ads into 55 seconds and get paid up to $3 just by doing it. So just imagining, just for watching this kind of ad, you can just leave them in the background, do different works and start getting paid $3 just by doing it. You will be able to earn real money online from your favorite brands, like watching videos, getting a reward, earn a minimum of up to $5 and $3 per video interaction, make more money, and earn an additional $1 for every friend that you refer to it. So if you refer your friends just for signing up here totally for free, you will be able to get $1 for every single person of that. And as well, if you make them to sign up here, they will understand that they can make the same money, same as you're doing now, by just signing up with the help of your link. When you reach $10 cash out, you will be able to withdraw your money. You can see here in real-time money how much people are getting paid with the help of this platform. So that's crazy because they are paying more than up to $1,000 just for watching this kind of ads. It's easy to get paid to watch video ads and to complete online offers, and they are offering 3 ways to get paid. Choose the one that is best for you. You can get paid with MasterCard, prepaid card, e-gift cards, and donation. Now, in order to see if this platform it is legit or not, you can go again at the very end of the page and see which platforms are using it to get advertised and supporting it. You can see that they are some of the most popular ones. So this it makes you totally secure that it is legit and it's not a scam platform. So you can use it without not worrying about the scamming or other things. As I told you, this is on free as well, same as the other one. The third platform, the last but not the least about the importance, is called cashkarma.io, and you will be able to earn money with this, free cash and gift cards. You will earn rewards by completing service and doing more tasks. The only reward app that lets you earn reward even if you are not qualified for this survey. Install this platform and you will be able to earn up to 300 points just by doing it. You can access this kind of platform into Google Play Store and as well into App Store. Same as you may see right over here, I have searched about it. You can see the reviews which are very good, pretty well, and as well you can see the rating which is almost 5 stars, so it makes you totally secured that is one of the best platforms to use and to get paid, and as well to have fun. If you scroll between of that, you can see that you can get paid redeem points. You can redeem your points for PayPal Cash and Amazon gift cards. Gift cards code are loaded right on your device. A lot more are going to come up day by day just by using it. You will be able to earn bonuses to get extra bonuses when you earn achievement budgets, and as well you can increase your reward level each time you earn an earning budget. You can earn up to 12% bonus each time you complete an offer or a task. This is how you can start making money online with the combination of these 3 platforms, 3 websites, which are for sure, as I told you since the beginning, totally for free and by following every single step that I told you. Thank you for watching till the end, and if you saw something new here today, don't forget to go to the subscribe option and push it hard, and as well to push the notifications on so whenever I post you will get notified.